Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't install or update Valorant because of dependencies and you get this error when you try to update. So what you need to do in order to fix this, of course, first of all, exit a Riot client, and after that go ahead on search and write down installed apps, open it. On installed apps you want to go ahead on search and search for Riot. And you want to find Riot Vanguard and you want to go ahead and uninstall it. Then you will see this message and you want to go ahead and click yes. After that, a Riot Vanguard will disappear from installed apps. And now what you want to do is open up Riot client services again, sign into your account. Now you want to go ahead to Valorant and click update, click yes. And now it will start downloading the update. And also the Vanguard will also be installed once again automatically. Now you will also get this message, please restart your computer, so you want to go ahead and do that. And now after restarting your PC, you will see that you can already play and everything is up to date. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.